Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Let us look at what are the predominant factors which govern the digestion and assimilation of food. So, that is captured in the concept called Ashta Ahar Vidhi Vishesh. Ashta meaning 8, Ahar is food, Vidhi means method, Vishesh means specific method. So, what are those factors? Those factors are Prakriti, Karan, Samyog, Rashi, Desh, Kal, Upayog, Samastha and Upayokta. Prakriti, what is the quality and characteristic of food? Karan, how the food is being processed. Samyog, how the combination or mixing is done. Rashi, in how much quantity that food is taken. Desh, in which habitat that food is used or consumed. Kal, what time of the day, what kind of the year that food is taken. Upayog, Samstha, classical Ayurvedic rules of eating, how to sit, when to use water, when to drink water, what should be followed by what. There is an excellent beautiful protocol given in Ayurveda about what to eat, how to eat in one sitting, that is Upayog Samastha. Upayokta, the person who takes the food, because the person also has its individual agency, its own capability. So, these are the 8 factors to be considered while taking food. You can imagine, now you can see that how evolved the food science has been, the Ahar Vigyan, food science has been in the yogic tradition and in the Ayurvedic tradition. So, first is Prakriti. We discussed there are predominantly 3 types of Vikritis or Prakriti found, and all of us have all 3, having 1 or 2 dominant over other 1 or 2. These are Kapha, Vat and Pitta. Pitta is considered to be the combination of fire and water. Vat is the combination of Akash, the ether and air. Kapha is predominantly the combination of water and earth. So, Kapha governs the structure of body. Vat is like wind, it is light, cool, dry, mobile. So, it governs the movements including neurotransmitters. Pitta is hot, sharp, penetrating, volatile and oily, and this governs the digestion system. So, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, Prakriti or Vikriti, they decide the kind of food person should take up. You might recall that you all were given an assessment, you were asked to take the assessment on these Prakriti, and if you have taken that, you might be having some idea what is predominant Vikriti in your body and mind. So, Vata people choose warm, nourishing cooked food, that is moist, mildly spiced, cooked with oil, so that it is lubricating and comforting. So, Vata people choose that kind of food. The diet for the Vata people must include fresh or cooked fruit, grains, dairy that are sweet in taste, sour food like lemons and limes, and salty food that are warming and moistening. One with the Vata dosh should drink warm teas regularly, preferably non-caffeinated tea, and herbal teas are great for the Vata dosha, people with the Vata dosh. People with the Pitta dosh, they need dairy products such as fresh milk, cottage cheese, cream cheese or fresh goat cheese, and these are the soothing to Pitta, but they must avoid mixing dairy and fruit. Pitta predominant people consume foods that have taste that are sweet, dairy, fresh fruit, vegetable, whole grain. not the refined sugar, but sweet, naturally sweet food. Bitter means all green except spinach. Astringent, legumes, apples, potatoes. Pitta dosha can enjoy tenderly on tea regularly to cool and soothe themselves. People suffering from kapha dosha, so they need to consume the food which taste that are balancing to kapha are fresh and dried ginger, onions and peppers that are pungent in nature, and all greens and all vegetables bitter in nature and astringent like legumes or except soya, and dried food that is good for the people suffering from kapha dosha. Kapha dosha must choose food that are dry, light and warm, and they can enjoy abundant vegetable, herbs and spices. Then comes a transformation of food. What Ayurveda says about it? Ayurveda says that transformation of food into energy is based on optimum heat energy, that is Ushma. Ushma pachati. The role of Ushma is to digest. Optimum movement of the different parts of the intestine. Vayu prakarshati, that so Vayu causes the movement in the different parts of the intestine. Mucus loosens. Kleda is called mucus, and that gives sathilya, means looseness. Lubrication gentles, and lubrication is given by ghee. Lubrication is also generated by the body itself. So, sneho mardavam jnanayati, that which does the lubrication. Sufficient time, kal pariman must be followed until one diet is out of the system, the next full diet should not be taken. Combination of above, some yoga of all these. So, the conversion of the food into energy happens with optimum heat energy, optimum movement, mucus, lubrication, sufficient time and combination of all these. What are the qualities of right food? So, right food is Agni Rakshane Aharaha, that which enhances Oj, Tej and Prana. We are going to discuss what is Oj, Tej and Prana. Aharasya mahabheshajatvam. Ahar is also like a medicine. Ahar must be taken according to the suitability. Pathya apathya vichar. So, the quality of good quality food means that is taken after sufficient thoughts about what should be taken, what should not be taken. Ritu samya ahar, the food which is according to the season. Aharasya dehasya api pancha bhautiktvyam, means 5 elemental nature of ahar and deh. So, deh, the body is made up of 5 elements, ahar is also made up of 5 elements. There has to be a right equilibrium of these elements in ahar and these elements in the body. Dincharyam bhojanasya kala, and according to the daily routine. So, these are the qualities of right food. There are few other qualities as well given in great detail on this website of dharmawiki.org. Dharmawiki.org is our own website. This is development of one of the IIT Bombay research project, and you will see lot of these concepts are given in great detail. So, you can use this website as like notes for many of the topics, and the topics which are well developed there, very well presented there in the Dharmawiki. We have also given the reference behind those topic on those slides of the reference of that particular page of Dharmawiki.